3 beses lang na-flatan ng gulong ang gamit ko ngayong Honda City. 5 or 6 times kong naranasan yan for the past 8 years at majority nga dyan ay dahil na puncture o nabutas ng sharp object tulad ng pako at screw. Base nga sa experience ko, hindi pare-pareho yung bilis ng paglambot ng gulong. Merong after few seconds lang ay ramdam ko agad na flat na ito. Meron din namang after several days pa bago ko napansin. And both situations are stressful at the same time. Pwede sanang maitawid ng portable tire inflator. Maitawid meaning, ma-inflate natin ang gulong at madala sa nearby service station for a proper repair or replacement. Good say! This is Chan of Chan Limited Life for today. Pag-uusapan natin ang portable cordless tire inflator. Ano-ano ba yung mga benefits ng pagkakaroon ng ganitong device sa loob ng kotse? Ano ba yung mga dapat nating tandaan sa pagpili ng tire inflator? In case interesado kayo, at higit sa lahat, magkano naman yung usual price ito? Lahat ng yan at marami pang iba. Pero bago natin simulan mga ka-Chanli, eto muna! Marami sa atin ay nagpapa-inflate ng gulong sa mga gasoline station. Usually, meron dito mga tire inflator na we can freely use. Walang masama dyan, for the past 8 years, nagpapahangin ako ng gulong at least once a month. Or as needed in case mapansin ko na malambot na yung gulong o mababa na sa usual yung fuel economy ng kotse o para may kakaiba sa handling o braking ng auto. But there are situations na hindi accessible yung tire inflator. Dahil sira, mahaba ang pila at nagmamadali tayo, o wag naman sana naflatan tayo sa alanganing lugar. Sa ganyang sitwasyon, sometimes I wish na meron sana tayong magamit na inflator sa bahay o kahit saan man para we can easily check and adjust sa tire pressure at our own convenience. Pero teka lang, ano nga ba ang tire inflator? A tire inflator is a device designed specifically for inflating tires. It has a pressure gauge to ensure you reach the desired tire pressure for optimal vehicle performance, safety, and fuel efficiency. May electric motor at pump ang tire inflator to draw air from the surroundings and force it into the tire hanggang ma-reach ang desired tire pressure. Usually, mga heavy-duty industrial tire inflators yung mga nasa gasoline station at sa mga tire or vulcanizing shops. Meron itong higher airflow rates at kaya mag-inflate ng multiple tires ng tuloy-tuloy. Yung ibang models nga ay mayroong extra long hoses and heavy-duty construction to withstand demanding working conditions. Malalaki ito at mabibigat kaya naman hindi siya attractive sa mga regular car owners. Dito papasok ang portable tire inflator. A portable tire inflator is a compact and lightweight device to inflate tires in various inflatables on the go. Convenient and practical tool ito sa mga motorists to maintain proper tire pressure and inflate tires during emergencies and outdoor activities. Kayang-kaya ito bitbitin at ilagay sa trunk ng kotse without consuming too much effort and space. Meron dalawang klase ang portable tire inflator. Ito nga yung corded at cordless inflators. Corded inflators use a 12-volt power plug that connects to the vehicle's power outlet, drawing power from the car's battery. Gagana ang corded inflator as long as may power source ito. Meron din itong version na pwedeng i-plug sa power outlet ng bahay. Cordless inflators use a rechargeable batteries to power their motor and pump. Certain cordless inflators have built-in batteries that can be charged via USB or 120-volt power, while others feature removable batteries. They are flexible and don't rely sa additional power source to inflate tires. Sa case natin, mas pinili ko yung cordless inflator dahil sa flexibility at pagiging portable nito. 6 tips in choosing portable cordless tire inflator. Number 1. Fast inflation. Usually, it will take 3 to 5 minutes to inflate tire from 0 to 2.5 bars using a heavy-duty inflators. It will take 5 to 10 minutes naman using a portable type. So anything na less than 10 minutes na inflating time from 0 to 2.5 bars ay acceptable. Of course, the faster the better. Number 2. Auto stop when fully inflated. Automatic shut-off functions protect inflators from overheating. Auto stop can be triggered by pressure, temperature, or time para ma-ensure na safe at efficient ang paggamit natin ng inflator. Kaya i-recommend na piliin natin yung may auto-stop function. Number 3. Digital tire pressure display. Importante na madaling mabasa ang numbers sa pressure gauge for accurate inflation. Digital gauges with backlighting are legible and user-friendly. Pwede rin namang analog gauges with large numerals, pero mas mahirap yan basahin sa low light conditions. Kaya I suggest na we choose yung may digital gauges with backlighting na. Number 4. Long standby time. Dahil battery-powered ang cordless inflator, darating yung time na malolobat ito. Kaya naman, choose a model na may long standby time. If possible, choose yung may at least 120 days na standby time. The longer the better in case makalimutan man nating i-charge for several weeks. May enough power pa rin ito pag gagamitan na. Number 5. Hose length. Ang optimal hose length ay between 16 to 20 inches para balanse ang convenience and manageability. Pag sobrang iksi kasi ay medyo awkward o mahirap minsan hawakan, depende sa location ng tire valve. Maliit na hassle, pero if may saktong haba naman, dun ka na. Number 6. Safety features. Dahil battery ang power source ng cordless tire inflator, may mga safety concerns tayo dito. Kaya to make sure na hindi mag-overheat o sasabog yung inflator, bumili lamang sa mga reputable brands and sellers. Basahin mo rin muna yung mga safety features ito, check mo kung gawa ito sa heat-resistant material, may heat sink, voltage protection, short circuit protection at marami pang iba. Before we continue, kung may questions, suggestions, or clarifications kayo tungkol sa content natin today, pakipost lang sa comment section ng video na to. Huwag nyo rin kalimutang mag-like, subscribe at i-click ang bell icon sa ating Limited Life YouTube channel, TikTok at Facebook page para updated ka palagi sa mga fresh contents natin. Baseus Mini Pro Portable Cordless Tire Inflator has a 17-cylinder pure copper motor that can fully inflate an R175 tire in 8 minutes. It also has a convenient cordless design that can easily cover all 4 tires. An automatic shut-off function to avoid overinflation. Multiple inflation modes and nozzles that can be used to inflate cars, motorcycles, e-bikes, bicycles, and various sports balls. 180-day super long standby time and an accurate digital tire pressure display. Nabili natin ang Baseus Tire Inflator online for a reasonable price of 1,679 pesos. Testingin na natin ang Baseus Cordless Tire Inflator. Ang goal natin ay ma-check kung paano ang current tire pressure ng 4 na gulong, then we will inflate the tires base sa nakalagay na recommended tire pressure sa front door driver side. I-observe din natin kung gaano ito kabilis mag-inflate. Finally, i-compare natin sa tire pressure na makikita natin sa gasoline station. So, connect muna natin yung nozzle na inflator sa valve stem ng gulong. Press and hold yung OK para mag-on. Then, press M to select inflation mode, yung para sa kotse ang pipiliin natin. Use plus and minus to adjust the preset air pressure. Tapos lagay natin yung recommended tire pressure ng Honda City. Press OK to start inflation and wait for it na mag-stop once fully inflated. Base sa ginawa natin, eto yung tire pressure ng gulong bago natin i-inflate. Eto naman yung tire pressure ng gulong pagkatapos natin i-inflate. Ganito naman katagal bago ma-fully inflate yung tires. Finally, eto naman yung comparison ng tire pressure natin versus sa nakuha natin sa gasolinahan. Please note na 5 kilometers ang din-drive natin to check kaya may konting difference yan. Bahagyang tumataas ang tire pressure habang umiinit ang gulong. Based on the numbers, we can say na accurate yung nabili nating Baseus Portable Cordless Tire Inflator. May konting diferensya dahil sa bumiyahe nga tayo. Pero, minimal lang naman ito. Thus, pwede tayo mag-rely sa nakikita nating tire pressure sa display ng inflator. Kaya, make it a habit na i-check ang pressure at least once a month or as needed. Anyways, ganito naman katagal inabot ang charging time na inflator. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is essential for optimal vehicle performance, safety, and fuel efficiency. Kaya naman, crucial na magkaroon tayo ng car tire inflator sa loob ng kotse in case kailanganin natin during emergency. Tire inflator can even save us money. May option na kasi tayo other than ipatow natin yung auto. We can use it to inflate the tire, tas dalhin agad natin sa nearby service station for a proper repair or replacement. Merong pros and cons ang binili nating tire inflator. It's portable, cordless, fast and powerful, with long standby time na up to 180 days, and lastly, may automatic shut-off function. Kaso, medyo maiksi yung hose for my liking. Medyo awkward hawakan minsan, depende sa location ng tire valve. Also, in case makalimutan mo i-charge ng 6 months, unfortunately, hindi mo ito magagamit. Di tulad ng corded type na as long as may power source ay pwedeng gamitin. Anyways, invest in a reliable branded inflator, whether corded or cordless man yan, so we can maintain our vehicle's performance, improve its safety, save money on unnecessary expenses, and most importantly, have peace of mind during our journeys. Ayun lang! I hope na nakatulong itong video na to. Thank you for watching this content. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa ating Siya Limited Life YouTube channel and follow my Facebook and TikTok accounts for more related contents. Hanggang sa susunod mga ka-Chanli! Drive safely! Ingat!